First, hello everyone, and thank you for watching my video. I'm Yogi's Electronics. Here we have the Apple AirPods Pro 2. By these AirPods, the batteries in the headphones are dead. And now I will replace the batteries. Please watch the video carefully so that you don't make any mistakes. Are you ready? Then let's get started. As you can see, the headphone has a crack. Most likely caused by the battery. Because from time to time these batteries inflate when they are defective. When you open the small metal cap, you have to work carefully and slowly. You have to remove the old glue completely. If you notice that the glue is hard or difficult to remove, reheat the case with hot air. I have my workstation set to 100 degrees. I always use the insulating tape to protect the headphone housing from scratches. Since the alligator clips are quite sharp, this is one of the best ways to protect the case. And you have both hands free. Now I have to desolder the wires carefully, to free the battery. As you can see, I've been careless a bit. So make sure that this doesn't happen to you either. I'll fix the melted part at the end. Since I only removed a little bit of plastic. When you have desoldered the wire, you must then slowly pull it away, so that you can later pull out the battery more easily. Normally, you need a special tool to pull the battery out. But I'll show you a simpler way how to do it. I take a copper wire and solder it directly to the battery, and that's it. You can simply pull out the battery. I always recommend that you heat the case so that the battery comes out more easily. Please pay close attention how I insert the battery into the housing. It is very important that the battery is inserted correctly. It must work at the first time. Whenever I solder cables, I use the flux. This is a very good way to transfer the heat quickly, and the solder also adheres better. I can only recommend it. Before I glue it all together, I close the cap completely, so I can see if she comes in all the way in. Then I can glue everything together with the glue. When you have glued everything together, you have to fix the cap with adhesive tape and let it dry for 12 hours. And then you can charge the headphones in the case. So the first headphone is ready. Now we're going to do the second one, and you'll see that with the second one everything goes a little faster. And please watch the video till the end. Thank you for watching my video, take care and stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.